quick little video on how to cut a limestone slab. Very nice and easy. Say for here, we want to obviously have our finish on this straight line here. We're using 10mm gaps. So we take our measurement, 31.5 centimeters, take off 10mm, 30.5 centimeters, 305mm. Right, once you know your measurement, which in our case 305, 30.5 centimeters, mark that on the slab. Yeah. Mark it down the bottom. Use a level or straight edge. Mark it. Make sure you're always wearing your dust mask and your ear defenders. That never usually happens, they don't usually break like that. Usually you cut through, and you want to kind of go up, 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 and just do a few layers. Don't try and get it all through in one. Check your cement down. Slowly prime the back of your tile. Chuck it down. Using spacers, use spacers. It's turned from how to cut into how to cut and lay, but and just tap her in. Tap, tap, tap her in. Just gets you down to the right height. Check it on all bits. Back your edges up. Nice and smooth. And that's how you cut and lay a limestone slab.